Hey guys, and welcome to the 16th episode of the PloxerGames Unity3D How to Make a Zombie FPS Game series. Now, first up, I want to apologize about the time that it takes me to get around to doing an episode. Uni's just a lot of work at the moment, so just got to do that, get around to that first, and then work on this as well. So sorry about that. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you're sharing. Share my channel around so that, people who also might be struggling with Unity stuff might be able to check me out and have a look. So thanks guys for that. I think I'm on 542 subscribers, so I really want to thank you guys for that. And I wouldn't have been able to do anything without you, so thank you. I want to be wrapping up this series soonish, in the next few weeks, so that we can get onto the new platform and new project in the new platform. But yeah, we'll continue with this one in the new platform for until the end. But yeah, just want to quickly finish up this one, but I won't be, don't worry about me forgetting anything. I will be going over the stuff that to finish the game, but if you have anything in particular you want me to finish up with, make sure you email me or comment on one of this video maybe. Alright, so first up, what you want to do is download the new Unity 5 if you want to. You can stay on the old, but I'm going to upgrade to the new. And what you do is go to unity3d.com, click the Get Unity button up the top, then scroll down to the bottom, click Already Own Unity, click Download. Alright, then what you want to do is click here and go download whatever operating system you have. I have 64-bit, so I downloaded that one. I've already downloaded, installed that, and opened the project up so that it is converted, and I've got the new Unity open here. The reason I didn't go through that in the video is because it took me quite a while, like half an hour to get that done, so I didn't record that. One thing we need to do first up is where there used to be render settings down here, they've moved that into the lighting settings in the window. So click on lighting, and what you want to do is make sure you've got a skybox, and you want to drag out our directional light, which is our sun, which was originally in barn map, under barn map, but I dragged it out. You want to rename that to sun, and then just drag that onto the sun box, and that should be good. Then what you want to do is tick on fog if you haven't already, because we will like some fog in there. It's a good detail to add. So add that, and you can just close that. Click Ctrl S to save. Then this episode we're going to be working on the passwords of the thing, and I think that's about it I've got to show for that. So what you want to do is go over to Network Manager and open up the Network Manager script, and I've already implemented some stuff because I've gone over this about 3 or 4 times already to try and get it right, and I've kept getting it wrong. So finally I've got the majority of things right. We're going to change things up a bit. So first off, we can delete this password string. We're going to remove passwords, but we're going to make rooms public and private. So then you can only get into the room if it is public. You can only find it if it's public, and if it is private, you can enter the name of that room. So just go and delete that. I think that's all we need for now. Oh yeah, password enabled, remove that one as well. So save that, and then what you want to do is up here, you want to add these 4 new variables. So public, all strings, and call one last line, previous line, current line, and input line. And now what these are for is I've created a sort of a GUI menu input system down the bottom that we can type into, and we can enter variables. Currently, I was originally going to use it for the password system, but I don't use that anymore. So what it's just basically there for no reason at the moment, but what you can do is maybe make it so that it inputs console information in there. So say if you connect, it'll go, oh, you've connected, and stuff like that. So you can do what you want. So then now we've deleted password, just delete this line. We don't need that anymore. Scroll down, and actually what we're going to do is go Control F to find, and we're going to find password. Alright, so then we can get rid of this password enabled and all these password lines, just delete them. Don't worry about fixing up the GUI as in size respect, because we don't need that. I'll go over the UI as in, because of the 4.6 Unity, I'm going to go over the new UI system, but I don't know that system yet, so that will be in maybe the next or the next few episodes. So that's all of the ones we've got now. Public room. We want to find where you enter multiple. Here you go. Rooms available. Go down here, and what you want to do is here we're going to go for each room info game in game list. Then we're going to go if the game.name if the game.name, I want to try and put some, if game.name, sorry, wait, okay, we're gonna have to create a new variable. Alright, go up here and create a new variable, and it's gonna be public string, and it's gonna be full game name. Alright, so then what we're gonna do is scroll down, or one second, let's try and find this. Unity Photon, public and private games rooms. Here we go. Alright, so starts with if room starts with, so we've got it starts with, okay. No, we don't need that extra variable, so we don't need this variable. We'll get rid of that, and what we're going to do is find that rooms available here. That's how I keep finding mine. So if game.name starts with private underscore, then what we're going to do is so sorry, if it starts with public, then we're gonna create a button for it, else we're not going to, so we don't need to do anything. I think that's right. So we need to go up to public. When we create room, do you want to create a room? When we click create a room, here we go. when we click the button, create room and join, we're going to say an if command, an if statement. If public room equals true, and then what we're going to do is go game name. Is that what we set it to? Room name. Room name dot room name equals public underscore plus room name, and then we create the game, else we're going to set room name equals to private underscore plus room name. Okay, so that should add this prefix, sorry. That should add the prefix onto the, is it suffix or prefix? I think it's suffix. Anyways, it'll add it onto the start of the game name, and then I'll create the game plus room name. So then up here, rooms available, I'll go game name. If game.name starts with public, then we create one for it. If not, then we don't. So that means we need to create an input field for joining a game of a name. So, if we click, where's join lobby? Up here, we'll find out play, exit, network, join or create a room. When we join or create a room, join random room, we also want to create one called join specific room, or not just join friends room. Right, so let's compare these variables, and these ones are divided by 2 plus. Okay. Minus, alright, there's 4 buttons. So if there's 4 buttons, the whole box is, it's a certain variable. Screen height divided by 2 minus 100 minus what? Minus 50 or minus 25, 75 plus 25, and then plus 75. I don't know. We'll change them eventually, but that's what we're going to do. And then when we join friends room, we're going to go join room with the name, room name, and we're going to say room name. So what we want to do is find a room name, Control F, room name, here, room name, copy and go back up, create, join friends room. We're going to put a text field there. We're going to copy this, Control C, Control V, and we're gonna say put this just below it, so plus 25 plus 40 45. Well, that's 50, so it's gotta be 75. So 100. $125. Alright, so Jodo created is true. Join room names. And it's Jodo created equals true. Yep. Yep, that's what we want, I think. So test unexpected variable. Comma. GUI text field. New rect beam. Is that right? Yep. Alright, scene play. Why is it play? Why is this set the game already? Submit, play, network. Alright, join friends room. Room name equals GUI text. Maybe this one. Oh, okay, so we're gonna have to put this outside. Control X. And then we want to set that to that. Room name. Here. No. Here. Alright, it's new rect. Alright, so that's that one. Alright, next thing I need to show you is down here. So straight after, just before the GUI, end of the GUI on GUI function, what you want to do is put this code in. So put this code in actually, because that's the end of it. So GUI box, same variables. I'm not going to go through this. This is pretty easy. So just all you want to do is pause the video, and copy this down. So a box, a label for the title, label for each line, and an input line text field, and a button to input that line. And then with that, you want to create a new variable, a new function down the bottom here, void input messenger. You want to accept a string called cline, and then do this. So just remember, copy, just pause the video and copy this. Okay. And that basically, what do we do? Erect. I don't know why this isn't working. New Rex 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, it looks good. Why? Oh, it was working. Why just screw up? Alright, so just Control B to build. Alright, hit play. Play. This is the new build thing, which is nice. Submit. Submit. Play network. Play network. Alright, so on this one, let's create a room. We'll make it 4 players. False for public room. And we'll go temp room 1. Create room and join. Then we'll go over there. So private underscore temp room 1. Go over here. And the room hasn't popped up, so joins friend room. And call private underscore temp room 1. Join friend's room. And that didn't really work. Right. Spawn. Oh, got some weird stuff happening. Alright, enter. Oh, this is the text box. So if we put something in, enter. Put something else in, enter. It's just like a thing, and we can put console stuff like that. So you don't really need this input at the moment, but yeah. Right, so that's working to an extent. When we click the button, we're going to join a room. Joiner created is true. Enter pregame true. And we're not going to do that room name. We're going to say friends room. And if we're entering it, it should be a private. So what we're going to do is automatically put private in there, private underscore, and we're going to add in friends room. Friends room. Save that. Go up to the top and create the friends room variable. Down here. Public string friends room. And so you can obviously run into a numerous number of errors through this, and you can fix that if you want. You can go through each one, and you will be able to go through certain checks and be like, hey, have they is there actually a room called that? And if there is, then they can join. If not, it displays an error message in the console or something like that. But what is wrong with this? Create room and join. Private underscore temp room. Why is it? What the hell? What's going on? There you go. Join friends room. Temp room. Join friends room. Okay, connecting, join. Yes. Okay, so another thing we have got to fix up is that the listing of that. So if we spawn here, go over here, alt tab, go over here, spawn. Alright, so we go like this. Awesome. That is very good. Alright, so that's all working. It's perfect. Alright, so that works well. Now, one thing that we noticed there was the player's name, so Control F and go for each. Should be a second one for players, yep, photon players, and we're gonna go Z+1, and we're gonna go X A. Well, let's initiate the variable. Int A is equal to 0, and then for each A we're gonna plus equals 25. And when we join players, we're gonna say new line. Oh, we'll make it 50. We're gonna say it's left than top, so this one should be plus A. Save that and Control V, sorry. Getting mixed up with my Mac. Play. Hit play. I don't know why it's automatically selecting a map. There's something wrong with the maps. That's the next thing we'll do. Create room, barn map, false, temp, create room and join, temp, join friends room, connecting, authenticating, joined. There we go. 1, 2. The names aren't working. Alright, well, yeah, it's sort of working. Alright, so oh, that's cool, okay. So it's even gonna allow me to oh, that's cool. Spectator space. Alright, yeah. That's cool. Makes sense. And let's make it 25. That was a bit big. Okay, so that's that done. The next thing we need to do, running out of time, is there was something wrong with the maps. It needs to start. Is that how I had it? New string barn temp. Map string. Okay, barn temp. Barn map temp map temp map. I think that's why. Gosh. Temp. Alright. Save that. So if we go here, I'm gonna have to change it here. Map. Alright, minimize, hit play. And it should just have a blank screen. Oh, okay, that didn't. So, map integer 0. If we hit map 2, create, yeah, that's not working. I got the old script. Maybe I didn't put in the new map thing. Back game map. Map integer. The toolbar. Oh, I didn't. Alright. Can't remember how I did this. You guys shouldn't have the same problem, but I'll just go through this again and create it off the top of my head. So public game object barn map, and we'll set these 3. So temp map. Then we're gonna go here, and when we create a room, join, creating a room. Okay, maps. GUI toolbar. If map int equals 1 equals 1, or is it 0? Then we're going to go barn map dot enabled dot transform dot enable dot set active true, and yeah, and then set the other 2 to false. Temp set active temp map 1, and duplicate this. I've just changed the variables above. Temp map 2. I think I made this more extensive in my other thing, so you guys can just leave it. I'm just going to change it for this. So if temp map is 1, then do that. If temp map is 2, false true. Alright, and then if temp map is 3, false true. Alright, so that means we have to go back up here. Temp map 1, map 2. Alright, and we need to start. I think at the start I said, as soon as the script starts, we turn off barn map dot set active is false, and then just copy for each. And so maybe I'll input a sort of, you know how the camera is on the barn map, the camera's at the barn map. Maybe I'll set like a spawn bit where there's like images and stuff of like the original. Oh, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? Oh, I haven't set them yet. Barn map, temp map 1, temp map 2. Hit play. There we go. Alright. So submit, play, network. I'll have like a main area where it will show like a nice image or something. Okay, so that's 1. That's it. That's okay. So it's good. I gotta change the variables, but yeah, you guys got the drift. I'm just gonna do that. Temp map 0, 1, 2. Alright, so you guys got that. You guys already had that, so you could have skip that if you want. So that's all I'm gonna do for this episode. What I will show you how to do is input those messenger things. So what I'm gonna do is Control F and go. It's up the top. There was like an information. You know that thing in the corner? Pops all the stuff. Okay, so player name input. It's like oh god, what am I doing? Alright, on join failed. Connect to lobby. thought I had a create an information thing up in the corner. I do, I just don't know where it is. Maybe it's private. Oh no, it's the state of the player, isn't it? Let's try state. Connection state detail to string. Here we go. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to copy this, Control X, and get rid of that line. And we're going to put it in a at the start update. Oh no, on GUI. So what we're going to say, we'll just put it up the top. We'll say input messenger, and we're going to input the string, this one. So that's, we're basically sending it to there, and it's going to update those lines. This is all this function does, as you saw before, is update those lines, and we're just going to send this details to the thing. But what we're going to do is add a console to that, so or network, and then plus this, because if we say console, it's not really console, it's more of a network issue. So here peer created, and I think that's continuing to, if we get, yeah, it's constantly doing that. Alright, so wait, if we go control Z, oh no, let's just find where this was. Where was this? Okay, so this is start button. First menu, so let's just straight on GUI. Oh, so that does constantly say it. Okay. Okay, you could do a check to see if it's the same as it was like a second ago, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to leave it like that. We're going to leave it like that, but basically I just showed you what happened really. So maybe if we put here, we'll go input messenger, and we're going to say console. Is this console one? Well, what I'm deeming a console one. So console plus oh no, console name changed to ... and then plus name changed to, and we're gonna add player name. Okay. So let's try that. Right, no, okay. Right, we just missed places. If we press the button to change our name, then we go and do that. I also still need to create the options menu. I don't think that does anything at the moment. So if we change our name to PloxerGames, submit, change name to ... PloxerGames. Okay, options, yeah, I haven't done that. That one works, that one doesn't. So change name to PloxerGames. Alright, cool. Well, I'll end it there. I'm gonna have to get off and get something to eat. So thanks guys. Thanks again for sticking around. means a lot. I am very busy at the moment, so it does mean a lot when you guys stick around and still comment and still wait around for the new episode. So thank you very much for that, and I will see you in the next episode. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.